Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making a project folder and opening Notepad. This keeps files organized. Type a minimal HTML skeleton. Doctype HTML, HTML, head, title, and body. Once done, save the file as index. HTML with UTF-8 encoding, make sure Notepad save as type is all files so it doesn't append. TXT. You do this because browsers recognize. HTML and UTF-8 avoids character issues. Now open index. HTML in your browser to confirm a blank page loads. Next, create a separate style. CSS in the same project folder so styles are modular. In index, HTML inside the head element, add a link tag, link_rel equals stylisheet href equals style. CSS, this tells the browser to load your CSS file, then write a few test rules in style. CSS like body background and H1 color and save both files. Once saved, refresh the browser tab showing index. HTML. You should see style changes. If not, check the file name and link path for typos. To finish, validate that updates appear. Save both files and refresh the browser. Use Ctrl plus F5 to bypass cache. If nothing changes, make sure Windows isn't hiding extensions so index. HTML isn't actually index. HTML, TXT, and confirm the link href exactly matches style. CSS. Open Developer Tools with F12 to inspect the console and network panel for 404s or syntax errors. That tells you why styles didn't load. If you see
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.